Hi guys, welcome to fxmarketstrategy.com. So we have this trend analyzer tool available on our website. It's a very handy tool. It will give you a brief of the market. You can have all these currencies right here at the left side. You have multiple time frames from 1 minute to 1 month. You can check the moving average, what's happening, RSI, stock, MACD, ADX, SAR, momentum, WBR. It gives you also final score for everything. So it's pretty neat to have a quick look at what's going on. You can install it in MT4. Looking at the dollar index last week, guys, we said we have the bigger analysis that we do expect the dollar index to continue fall and see what's happening. It's just falling. This will continue to fall, guys. Look at the MACD. We still have this is falling. This is further fall to come. So the dollar index is heading towards 100 level. Okay, we are around like 106 level. So we still have 600 more pips to come down. So every high is good to sell in the dollar index. Okay, we're just gonna jump here to the Japanese yen. This is one divided in Japanese yen, guys. So as you can see here, this level has been respected so many times. Okay, so the Japanese yen is gonna get stronger. The question is, are we gonna bounce from here back to the upside? We're gonna break. Most likely what I can see is we're going to break to the downside. So we have a downside move coming, okay? So this is the next move. Then what we are having next right here is the Dow Jones. Last week was the rate hike. Everybody would possibly expect the rate hike will bring the indices down. That's not the case. And the reason for this is they just did a rate hike of 0.75 and that was expected. So that was already priced in. That's number one. Number two, the unemployment is really good in the United States. So there is no fear of recession. Okay, we know we have two GDPs with negative numbers, but as Mr. Powell, when he was asked about this, he said we are not judging. Okay, so basically this is more of a technical recession. It's not really a recession, and he said the United States economy is not in a recession. So this kind of decrease in the growth, but is not actually declining in anything to be worried about. So we're still good. However, the yields is 2 to 10 years inverted, but still nothing to worry about. It's still bullish. Every touch of the trend line right here is a buy. See guys, that's a buy. Touch here is a buy. Also gives you a signal, a buy, a buy. What is the case here? Don't go and buy this one just like that. Wait, come back down, touch the trend line, the green one. Okay, when it starts bouncing back, buy it. Okay, but don't just buy this high. This is not good. Nasdaq the same scenario as you can see, just flying up. With Amazon did really well, and many tech companies did very well. Revenue report. Okay, so that's very good. I think we are going back to guys to 16K. Okay, so Nasdaq is going back to 16K. Nasdaq is not coming back here. It's not happening now. Okay, maybe happen in 2026. DAX is the same scenario. So just take every buy, maybe a small correction, then buy. Okay. US crude only down. So US crude guys only down. See, this was very good to sell. Continue selling this one. US crude going to 65. Okay. Right now, the next level to watch for is 989. The same thing for UK. Gold is only a buy in the coming time, guys. The next level to watch for is 1775, then 1830. Okay. So right here, 1775, then 1830. Okay. By 2026, gold is going to be over 2,500, maybe even more. Okay, there is next recession. So gold from now on, every dip, then bounce is a buy. Avoid selling gold. Euro dollar didn't move too much, but still remains bullish. Okay, guys. So we are looking to go for 1.04450 level. Okay, which is 61.8 from top down. So this is the level to watch for. Euro dollar is not going to go back here. Okay, it's not happening now. USD JPY has been falling like crazy. I said this is going to fall hard. Okay, this is going to continue to fall. So next level to watch for is 129.60. Okay, then after that 125 psychological number. Bound, watch out, possibly a rate hike coming. So possibly we can see a one wave down and then buy this dip. Buy this dip. Okay, guys. So here. So what we are waiting for now is a dip, then buy the dip. USD CAD, this will continue to be a sell, but it's gonna go in a wave. It's not gonna go like a crash. Okay, so it's just gonna be going like this. Because Canadian also is gonna be a little bit weak. Okay, But watch our some Canadians number in the summer, they come out really good. Euro New Zealand, this to continue down with the stock market going up. The same scenario will apply for Euro Australian, New Zealand, the same. Pound Australian, this possibly actually we're gonna see a down move right here, guys. Okay. Pound CAD also a down move. Okay, so that's for pound Canadian. Pound CHF also the same. Pound CHF, watch out. One more dip here, and from this level, I think we're gonna go back up here. Okay, so pound CHF, we're gonna go back up, just like going to be like euro, pound dollar. What's happening here? Euro Japanese yen, guys, in the APCO trading system, you can see you can take this sell, was very good. There was a correction, you can take this sell, was very good. There was a correction, you can take this sell. So what's happened? This is gonna continue falling, guys. Look at this MACD, it's just deep down, and it's gonna continue further down. So euro Japanese yen 136 level now, expect 130 soon. Okay, guys? So expect 130 soon. You can download APCO trading system. It's a very good trading system from our website, fxmarketstrategy.com. There is a 40% discount in the annual package. It helps you, it's color coded, it gives you, make everything clear, you know. This is how you see the chart, is really nice, very cool. And also gives you a signal, gives you where to put the stop loss, you know, it's very neat. Thank you guys and have a wonderful day. Please, if you do like the video, make sure you hit the like button and share it. And if you have any question, leave a comment. Thank you.